selling mint JDM RSX counterweight for your K20 A2 transmission. Get at me if you want this counterweight. It's mint. You'll never find this anywhere in the US. So get it while it's hot. Like literally still hot. Pick it up now. $1,000. Come get at it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Basically, I ain't post nothing in a while. I ain't have nothing to post, so I wasn't gonna give y'all no half-ass video. So today I got the shifter in. I'm gonna try to get that installed. I was gonna put a base plate down, but kind of changed my mind. I'm probably using rib nuts and put them in there, and then bolt the shifter to that instead of fucking. I'll go cursing again. Instead of using the base plate, I don't want to make one. I made one for the MRS shifter that I was going to use, and I don't want to waste my time to do that again. Plus, I don't want to pay $100-something for one or $80 for one or whatever it is. But now, got the hybrid shifter in. I'm going to show y'all that, and I got the shift bracket for the back that mounts into the back where the on the transmission. So I'll show y'all that right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna drill that hole out right there, the little spot that I marked, and over there, right over there, and here. Put the rib nuts in there, and get that in, get the shifter in, and go from there. I didn't want to make the base plate for it, and it looks like I could do it without drilling the hole all the way through the car. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so basically shifter's installed. I didn't show you guys how I did that, but it's real simple. Just drill 4 holes, put 2 rib nuts in there, rivet them in, then you could just put the nuts right to that. Ain't no holes that go under the car, ain't no nothing. All these are inside the car. That's one thing I didn't want to do, was drill any holes that will go underneath the car or anything like that. So these sit right in here, nothing goes outside the car, and it's sits in there pretty good. I'm gonna have to cut on the housing part. I'm gonna have to cut this part out right here so it could sit down around it. So I'm gonna do that right now and see how it looks. So I'm gonna cut this shit up right here. Hopefully I cut my toes off. Ah, well shit, I didn't want to do that, but I guess that works. I don't know if this is a bad idea, or should I just use what I was already using, but I'm gonna do this. Probably was a bad idea. Alright, so this is what I was trying to do. This is why I was cutting it out. See the back part, the cable is going to run through here and down, and through here and down. So I had to cut it out so it could fit. I still might have to notch this a little bit more right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Sun's bright as shit. I don't know if I might have to notch that a little bit more and the cable go under, but on that for now it's looking good. Shifter's looking good in there. I was going to get some bucket seats, but I sat in the Buddies. He got some S2000 seats. They're pretty comfortable. They fit pretty well in there, so think I'm gonna go ahead and get some S2000 seats. For those of y'all who never seen rib nuts before, and wonder what the hell rib nuts are, just basically a rivet. It's a little tool that I put in there. So I drill a hole, I drop this down in the hole. It's a little tool that I put in there, and it crimps. Basically, it's going to crimp this up to be on top of this. So whatever metal's in between here, it's going to keep it in here. It's not going to come out. So that's what I did. I used rib nuts on the shifter. Rib nuts is fucking, it's the best thing, man. It's the best kept secret. A lot of people don't know about it. There you go, a rib nut. It looks just like that. You drill a hole, drop this in. You basically use a little rivet gun looking thing. Where is that? I'm gonna waste one of these to show y'all. You basically use a little rivet gun looking thing like this, right? See, it screws onto that. You drill the hole, you put this down in the hole, and then all you do is you just close it. Can't do it. Come on. See how it's starting to crimp up right there? Once that is in there, it's not going to come out at all. See that rib nut? Once that's in there, that's not going to come out. It's not going to shake out. None of that. That's squished in, but the metal is squished in between there. So that shifter is not going anywhere. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all these wires. I got to cut this off right here. And then install the bracket for the shifter cables back there. Alright, so basically got this piece cut off right here. I'll end up cleaning it up later. I got that cut off. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put that bracket back there and see how that shit fits. Clean that shit up a bit. Now I'm going to put that part on there, see how it fits. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so basically the rear shifter bracket right here. Shifter cables is going to hold the cables. So, should work. Only issue I had was one of the bolts they sent me was too long. But it worked out. I had one. Everything's cool. Shifter's a little notchy, but we'll see when we get the car running if the transmission is good. I got this out of a wrecked car, so something could be wrong with it. It was just like supposed to be like a mock-up tranny. Eventually, I'm gonna try to get build a transmission. This one, I just want the car running, getting a little shit going here and there. I could work out some kinks. Get everything painted, like the valve cover, all that shit painted, and clean it up, go from there. I get that done, you know, try to get some power out of it. Right now I just need it running and going. So what we're going to do, shifter is in, cable bracket is in, just little stuff. Week by week we're getting it together. Basically what needs to happen now is one of you guys need to send me an RSX shift knob that could fit this hybrid racing shifter right here. Yeah, go ahead and comment. And I'll send you my address and you can send me a shift knob. But this is good. All else fail, I'll get me some stiffer springs. I like this. I could rotate it over here closer to the steering wheel. I could put it out front further away from me. Kind of like it right there though. I'm gonna move it over a bit, as if you can see it's hitting that nut right there. I don't want that to happen, so I'll just move it over a bit. And again, I gotta wait till I get my seats in here to really see where it goes. But appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe. Once again, it's hot as hell today. For some reason it's hot. For the last 3 days I've been wearing fucking hoodies and shit in August. But today, for some reason, when I'm off and I want to work on my car, it's hot as shit. So, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, comment. I took my dash out, by the way. Took the dash out, sold the dash. I'm going to get me a race pack. So I'm going to just get an automatic dash, cut out the guts of it, build a face and put a race pack up in there. But I also want to get me a horn for this steering wheel. Any of you guys got a horn, let me know. For a Nardi personal steering wheel. It's a, yeah, so I could put a horn up in here. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Peace.